White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
How we doing, barbecue fam? Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're doing 3-1-1 Babyback Ribs. The simplest recipe, 3 hours 250, 1 hour wrap 250, 1 hour unwrap 250. You're gonna have the perfect ribs every time. And we're rolling with that pulled hog for pork. Link is always below in the comments, WhiteBullsBBQ.Shop. So let's jump into it, let's go. So we've been rolling for about an hour. We're gonna hit it with water. Give it a spritz to keep that moisture in. So you just saw that 2 hour mark, 250, looking phenomenal. We're gonna spritz it once again. Keep that moisture locked in, let's do it. All right, so we're at the 3 hour mark, guys. We're rolling at 250 on the Pro 780, and we got our foil boat ready. This is what we're gonna put our ribs in. We got a little bit of maple syrup, we got 3 pads of butter, and we got a little bit of that pulled hog for pork, just to add a little extra flavor. We're gonna go meat side down, put the ribs meat side down in this, and close this so it could basically steam in its own juices. Let's do it. These are looking great. A pro tip to this is if you don't have to, don't probe them. This recipe is gonna take you there. If you have to, you probe them at the end, but you don't probe them yet because you don't want no juices to leak out of this pork. Let's do this. Close it up nice and tight. Throw it back on. See you in an hour. All right, so we're at the 4 hour mark. We're about to take these out of the wrap. We're gonna put them back on for about an hour. Let's check these out. No sauce, guys. No sauce. These are done. Let's pull them off. And just to show you, you want them around 195 internal. Boom, they're gonna be perfect. All right, guys. Perfect textbook ribs. Perfection. Every time. The best damn barbecue ever. You know the vibes.
White Bull's BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.